Art is not created by chance. It is shaped by vision, refined by precision, and perfected by mastery. In every movement, there is an artist. In sports medicine, the surgeon is the artist. Hands trained by discipline. Eyes guided by experience. A mind driven by purpose to restore motion, strength, and confidence. The human body is the canvas. Every knee that bends, every shoulder that rotates, every movement that defines performance. When injury interrupts the rhythm, art steps in. At Meril Sports Medicine, arthroscopy becomes art. Precision-engineered solutions for the knee, advanced control for the shoulder, comprehensive systems that empower the capital, designed to assist the artist, not replace them. This is where innovation meets intuition, where technology enhances skill, where science supports creativity. A future where every repair restores not just anatomy, but ambition. Meril Sports Medicine, where art finds its artist.